the chimichurri burrito inside the air fryer. First time trying it out. Let's see how well it does. I'm gonna set it to 10 minutes and put the temperature on about, you're gonna go for 300. All right, and we will be back when that guy is all through. It ought to be nice. It's a chimichurri. All right, the burrito is done. And it looks nice and got a little crispy, almost light little crispy texture on top of it. Let's take a bite into it. It's pretty good and hot. I'm gonna get a plate, and there it is. That burrito is good, guys. Air fried chimichurri burrito in the air fryer.